that the overall level would be higher than the glass of the filter tank, it seems to be good to have a safety mechanism in place to cut off the inflow into the filter tank.
Hiedalle.
Today's mission: correct the ball valve switch. The ball valve's on-off switch can't be fully turned. Find a way to correct it without drilling another hole into the aquarium glass. Tip: hot temperatures can melt plastic. Okay, let's see. Last time Konrad used a screwdriver to remove the plant channel and also tighten the standardized drain in the shower basin, which was upcycled into a grow bed. In order to fix the ball valve, we need some kind of tool to reduce the length of the switch. You will see why in a minute. The part is injection molded and can be easily shortened with some kind of knife. Maybe the hot knife again, but with a better mask. The created fumes were affecting the health too much with the corona mask last time. This mask looks quite promising. Let's go! The ball valve is part of the swan neck drain and connects the IBCs to the filter tank which houses the pump. The valve is wider than expected and the hole we drilled into the aquarium glass determines the position for the pipe. It is too close to the side panel and therefore the ball valve cannot be completely turned because the glass is in its turning radius and blocks the way. We can just melt off a piece of about 2 cm of the handle. This issue can be resolved easily. Like last time, a sawing motion helps with the cutting and the knife has reached the proper plastic melting temperature after a few seconds of holding down the power button. The handle's edges are a bit thicker, but the progress is very quick. The pipe connected to the valve determines the height of the water level of the entire system. The IBCs, however, are higher than the filter tank, and if for whatever reason the water in the IBCs rises to such an extent that the overall level would be higher than the glass of the filter tank, it seems to be good to have a safety mechanism in place to cut off the inflow into the filter tank. That's already it. The handle turns fine now, and the functionality of the ball valve was not affected. This concludes today's mission. Subscribe for the next episode and leave some feedback in the comments below. You could also check out this video. Or if it's your birthday, maybe this one.
Hiedalle.